that pretty? Hi everybody and welcome to today's video. We are doing a living room refresh, a much needed refresh in here. If you've been following my channel for the last few weeks, you would know that I have been holed up in our bathroom upstairs. There is no window. There is limited airflow. So I am very excited to be working in a place that has sunlight to do a project that is also making it very obvious that it is springtime. With this refresh, the biggest thing that we are doing is swapping out the curtains that we have in our living room. The curtains that we are currently using, say that 10 times fast, are the ones that we used in the house before we moved back to Ottawa. We were in the Toronto area. We were living in a rental home that had huge tall ceilings and they suited that home really well. But now it is not suiting this home because we have normal ceilings here and the curtains that we threw up for privacy, but they are pooling all over the floor and it is not a good look and I do not want to hem them. I am going to pass those on to my mom. So we are going to install 2 Pages curtains. Thank you so much 2 Pages for collaborating with me on this video, and without further ado, let's go. So I do have this funny little block, which makes it a bit of a bummer because I can't lift the curtains as high as I would like. Otherwise, I would have to maybe bump it out to either here or here. And those would be maybe a bit more funny looking. So I just try to put it right around here. Okay, you have got to see this beautiful curtain. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? It's so pretty. So nice. The quality is like super luxe. It's very weighted and it's also custom. So I was able to put in the width and the height of the curtains that I wanted. And it does go off of the pleat, so you can choose which pleats you want as well. Very, very impressed. Very, very excited to put these up. So I also got it a little longer. So it'll basically touch the floor a tiny bit. So I got them a little bit longer. But let's install these. I'm really excited. So the curtains actually come with these adjustable clips here that if you want them to go lower, you just push them and then you clip it into the ring like this. I'll show you. So the curtain ring here, and then this goes into here like so. And then if you want the curtains to drop a bit more, then you just essentially push this down and it drops. Now I've been setting mine out there. There we go. Right there. That works good for me. And then I've been hooking it in like so. And then once you have all of your clips, you basically just go into the pleat and then you just slip it into here like so. Like that. And then you hang it up, put it in the ring on the curtain rod. Super easy. I was like, what is the most English cottage style I could get? I'm hopefully going to be painting soon as well, and I'm probably gonna draw a green from here. I feel like that'll make the living room look nice and calming and soothing, not just all beige, which was the color that it was when we moved in. So we're just slowly getting to things. So anyways, let's hang this up. tell you how much I love these curtains. We have this awkward thing on the wall where the door is here and then the windows are more thin. So I thought about just putting the rod all the way across, so when it's closed, it kind of has this full draped effect, which I personally really like. And then you get the moody cottage vibe.